girls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and today we're going to be reviewing this wig, Roti, from Zury Hollywood, and it's in the color Sombre RTW Silver. So we're going to go ahead and take it out of the box. This is a lace front unit, so it does have lace by the part, but we're going to check and see how much lace in a second. So the wig is really full. It's a really nice silver color with a nice ombre. This is what the parting looks like, and it does come with a middle part, but it does have lace that you can cut, just not enough parting space all the way through, so you can only do a middle part. It has 2 combs inside and 1 at the nape, 2 combs on the sides and 1 at the nape, and adjustable strap. And I'm going to cut the lace and then put it on my head. Now it is very big head friendly, very comfortable, so I didn't have any trouble putting it on. You can definitely adjust it if you would like, so you can make it more snug. Now around the parting area, I decided to take a throwback and just take out some baby hairs or edges and blend that in instead of like messing with the whole trying to blend the part to my scalp type of situation. Just went old school. Nothing wrong with bringing back the old school. And then I'm going to grab this black edge control. It is actually a colored edge control with my edge brush here that I got from my beauty supply store. I'm going to place that edge control where I would slick down my edges, of course, and because it's black, it kind of fills in that area for any sparse hairs. It kind of makes it look a little bit more full. And then I'm going to use the brush to kind of just brush it down and blend that into the wig. And as you can see, it looks more natural that way, like it's coming out of my head. So yeah, that's a really quick way to kind of blend that in. And as you can see, it looks just fine. I didn't put any setting powder in there, but you can if you'd like. Just having fun with the wig because it was really cute. I definitely love the color. I love the fullness, and it's very light. Love the fullness, and even though it is so full, it is definitely light. I like the wig myself, and I would definitely recommend it. It will be down in the description box if you would like to purchase it. And if you have any questions that I did not answer, please feel free to comment and I will answer them as soon as I can. Stay royal.